watching it, the fireworks from Ollie's deck last year? Did we see them?
Yeah. Couldn't really see it though.
Oh, that's great, isn't it? Oh, yeah.
This plane's going to fly straight into it. I'd laugh if it did.
That'll be the...
Go, oh crap. If you were the pilot right now, look at it and go, oh crap.
That'd be a pretty fucking awesome view.
That would be cool here.
There's a great deal of booming going on somewhere else as well.
I wonder who they are. If they got like special permission to be doing that.
Might be filming it.
Actually, it's a fucking news helicopter, isn't it?
Yeah, it will be. Oh, beautiful.
They would have to get so many fucking licenses and shit to be able to do this, wouldn't they?
Oh yeah.
Where's the other booms coming from?
Harbour.
Oh, they're pretty. Oh, wow, that's really cool.
The echoes are pretty cool too.
No, they're just individual.
That's what I like
People.
about it most, is the fact that you hear it later.
There's people up the road doing that.
yeah. It's Mikey.
Yeah.
Jesus, that's astounding.
How many $1,000 did you say?
750 tons.
Fireworks.
Yeah.
Fucking me.
No. Just when you think it's all over. Those ones are cool.
It's also how you hear the bomb and you don't see it until, like, after
Yeah.
you expect it to go.
Yeah. Shh. It's kind of cool how it's all coming just off the sky tower. I mean, obviously it is, but
That's pretty cool.
it's kind of cool.
It's the only place with a license, probably.
Stunning.
It's the coolest thing about the Sky Tower, really.
Oh, that's amazing. That's beautiful. Ah, yeah. Thank you very much.
Hey!
You hear that?